today, restart. Hi guys, welcome back to another Alex's Adventure video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put a new sink faucet on this vanity right here. So let's get into it. Okay, now let's get into the building part. So first we're going to start with this piece, and we're going to put it on the middle slot and line it up. Second, we're going to take the top of the faucet and we're going to put it right down the hole. And we gotta push it so this black line right here goes in there. Now we have the faucet set. We are gonna take this piece and put it like this under here. So we are going to take our nut, and this will go in after we put this in. So we're gonna put this in. Then we're going to use this in here, and we're going to make sure that's lined up and screw in the nut till it's tight. You got to make sure it's centered or it will not work. Now we will be using these rings and putting them on top of here. Now, once you have that, we will be using this, and it says we take this and we put it on here. Okay, so now that we have these done, we will now be putting these on. So these will fit like this, and then it says we put them like this, and they go under, and this needs to be up a little more. Okay guys, now we will be attaching the hot and cold. So first we will be starting with the cold. So we will put it in the hole so we can see the ring for the headphones, and we put the headphones on the ring. It's pretty tough to get on, and that'll keep it up so it doesn't fall. So take this, make sure this piece is pointing that way, and you put it up. Put headphones on about that, and there we go, we got it. Okay, now that you have these two down, okay, now we will put this tube in. So we put the middle hole in with the middle of the faucet. Okay, once you have that snapped, you fold your tube and you put it in the side of here. The side. Now we are going to attach these two handles. So we are going to put them on, and we will just thread the bases clockwise. And you will thread them till you can't, and then see, turns, and it turns. Same thing with the other side. Make sure it's centered, spin. So now we are going to be putting in the drain. So we will take this part right here, and we will shove it through the hole, and then you will take your drain plug, and you will put that all the way in till it snaps. Then you will take this and you will put it on the bottom of. Thank you guys for watching my video, and please like and subscribe, and if you could go check out my merch store. See you guys on the next adventure. Bye!